Whoa, yo! First video in 2 weeks, and I decided to not do the cool stuff for Turtle, and instead do some Blockly stuff. And we're going to do JavaScript. The first code that I've done, another language, programming language that I've done other than Python. And this is JavaScript. It's Blockly, but I did it in JavaScript, so I can't use blocks. And as you can see, the player wins. And I have code to make it so that the player usually wins. So that the player almost always wins, or otherwise it's a sniper winning by luck. Well, bruh. Sniper is scared, and as we were saying, let's get on with doing this. This is JavaScript, and let's go. I'll just do the code, I guess. So heading, health check. So I'll just do it in blocks this time because I can't be bothered to do it. I'll do it in blocks because I can't be bothered. Var health check, var heading is 0. Not that, I'll do while true. While true. By the way, you can see the JavaScript here. While false, which means that you will not run anything. So I am going to do while true. Looks like the player wins again. While true, I'll probably need 5 ifs, if not 6. If what's an if else? What's an if else? And now let's do it. So we were supposed to do if health is less than health check. If health less than health check is health, basically. Health is less than health check. Health check. Health is less than health check. Then swim. Now we just need a second if. So if x is less than 50, then if get x is less than 50, then swim this way, else swim 180 degrees. And if any bugs happen or any lags happen, because it will happen once you run it repeatedly for a long time, then so you have to copy the JavaScript and then paste it. So that might happen. So and then if heading is if headed if scan 0 is less than or equals to 70, then we will do so we will fire cannon. Actually, not scan 0, scan heading. Scan heading less than 70. Cannon headed. Cannon headed. Scan headed. I think. Scan heading. Let's just run this. Well, that doesn't work so well, so we'll just have to set health check to health. Var health check equals health. Not that. Just meant to scroll down. Too big. Daniel, as I was saying. Bruh. As I was saying. If var head is heading -3. Header is heading -3. Not just logic, math. -3. Heading -3. If health check. So if health check. If health check is not health. So if health is not health check, then just stop. I'm not sure if that's necessary, but let's just we'll have to throw this away. Else heading minus equals plus equals -3. Basically. Not health check, heading. That wasn't good. I'm not sure if this is actually necessary though. Get X. So the last bit is bigger than -93 actually. 7. Yep. Now get X. Get what? Not Y. It's still X. Then let swim this way, else otherwise swim this way. Heading plus equals 1. No. Heading Oh. That doesn't work like that. Does it really face that way? Well, we'll just have to oh, so it was not defined. I forgot to define them. Variable heading is 270 because that's the most effective. Health check, health. So that's how you do it. Well, that's one down. That was quite easy. The rook is getting incremental damage done. Now the sniper, all left is sniper. The sniper. We'll just leave the sniper to run. And also that code is much cleaner than the original, and it still follows the same instructions. Oh, we saw it. It got a shot, and then it's coming back at the sniper. The sniper does have a flaw. Sometimes that happens. The sniper. So, the rook can counter a nice design, and the sniper's a sneaky design, and it's quite nice. The rook is basically just goes to the middle and it just fires at a rectangle direction, and then the counter just scans a whole 360 degrees. So my player design is probably it's a rook counter and sniper combined. I'm not sure if I could say it because it moves horizontally. It's hidden somewhere, yeah, and it scans a whole 360-degree range, and then it scans for enemies and then shoots. And so that I have eliminated a lot of the weaknesses of common players. And if the player is to play randomly, usually the counter wins. The counter wins because it scans for them and it does so successfully. The weakness in the rook is the diagonals, and the sniper is so hidden. But sometimes it just does get incremental damage. If it's hit, then everyone is scared, and then the people are scared, and they just run away. That's why that happens. And then it does like this, and then boom, 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 boom. And then when it collides, and sniper's faster, but it got hit. It missed. Sometimes it misses like this. So it just goes so far away. And then the sniper is scared and it runs. And then it just goes. And then that means that it could be bored and waiting. And that's it, the sniper's dead. And if this condition happens, usually the sniper gets a disadvantage because it's close to the center. And the player can still win despite with a health disadvantage. And in fact, the player managed to win without it being hit at all. So the player always wins a rook, probably even at 0 health. I'll just prove it to you that the player wins the rook, probably even with 0 health. So let's get to the counters code, and I just put bugs in it. I can't edit it. I can't even edit it. Ugh. So the rook, I can't even edit its code, so we can't test. We'll have to do it this way then. So while health is health is bigger than 60, health 60 swim this way. And I think it will still win despite a health disadvantage. I'll try to make the health advantage. How to make the health disadvantage more serious. And as the sniper successfully snipes away. And I'll try to make the health advantage more serious. And then if it does play more serious, then it's work. With the health advantage, oh well. Well, they collided and then they just got even lower advantage. And I believe that the player could win against a rook with 0 health if it was swimming initially. So with its a minimum health possible without it being dead, and it could play without being hit at all. That's my claim. If you could disprove this claim, do it in the place in the comments. Because a player could beat a rook without it being hit once at all. Well, that's it. I'll try to do this even more. Probably player 0 health rook. It loses virtually no health at all. It could even win without it being hit at once, at all. Which seems very unlikely that it will if the health is 0. Well, it did hit it once. It just needs not to collide. And then the sniper just swims away. And then no one. It could swim forever. I hope it won't. And it still swims. And I'll throw this code as a rubbish bin because we don't need it. The worst case scenario now is that it will just swim to the corner diagonally, and then there's a risk of collision. The collision didn't happen, and I actually may need to do it to 0 health. Actually, just to 1 health. And if it collides, if it gets hit at all, then it will. Well, that didn't work. And if it, well, it looks like I'll have to copy the code again. So wait, no, this way. Yeah, and then to restart. And it looks like I'll have to do it this way again. It'll collide until it's won't work. Half swim 90 actually, so that it will avoid detection anywhere. Ah well, the sniper collided. And then y is, well, get y is smaller than 30, swim 270. That's a problem. Doesn't work. Well, we'll just have to hide in even bigger corners then. And do you think that the player will win at against a sniper with just 1 health? Almost. If it doesn't collide, then it will. Oh gosh. Ah well. Let's not do that. Swim 90. And I still have faith that it will. Not 90, 0. I have faith that it can win with full health. No, it didn't. Set. Oh. No, it didn't. Well, health. Well, I'll just have to undo everything. I don't have all day, but nope, the counter got it. No. Naughty sniper. But why doesn't it go back? Oh! It has to be bigger than 70. That's why. I'll try again this time. No, didn't work. I'll try 350. I'll get why it's bigger than 70. If get What? Why? Smaller than equals to 70. Actually, with brackets. Stop. Basically. Just so that it can avoid detection and doesn't get hit. Wow, it didn't even have a chance, man. Doesn't even work. That's bad. Actually, instead it should be swimming this way. So that it just needs to always constantly do this. And the video stops while I have, the video finishes while I can prove that the player is untouchable. Looks like I have to refresh. Come on, counter, man. Don't need to be so naughty. I have a chance. Stop it, counter. You're annoying. It's just rude. What? No, that's unfair. I'll just have to, like, I'll try this time. This way. Indentation doesn't matter here, so it's okay. It's okay. It still manages to miss. Doesn't even get a shot. It just doesn't. It just does. No! So close. I still feel like it will win once. No. Ah, I know. I'll just swim it to 135. so that it will hide in the corner, so that it will just be out of any action. Don't think you'll get away with everything easily. Oh gosh. 270. Bruh. Stop! Counter, evil counter. Well, the axe is probably Oh my god, your counter is so rude. Stop being so rude, counter. So close. Well, I'll try if. No, it won't work. Looks like unfortunately the player cannot survive without being hit once at all. So it looks like that's the end of this video. Bye. Okay, not that.